Restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run down to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Well, this is not what I'm
That's
used
not a
to.
very comfortable hand
I'm
position.
used to here, and that's not even comfortable. for
Your
me.
freaking wrists.
Now I'm realizing
You're
that
gonna give yourself